गाइस मेरा लैपटॉप 1 महीने से बंद पड़ा है, तो देखते हैं इसमें क्या एरर है। उसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, फिर सॉल्व करते हैं। So guys, let's start the procedure. First you click the power on button to on your laptop. Such type of screen is open on your laptop and your laptop is not moving further. For more information, then you press F10 key to get BIOS startup of this laptop, like that. After pressing F10 key, then such type of information is open on your laptop where all information about your laptop is placed. On the top of the screen, you have seen 4 parameters such as main, security, system configuration, exit. You must use these 4 up and down keys to move your information on your laptop. You move to system configuration by using up and down keys. Such type of information or screen is open on your laptop. On number 4, you have seen an boot options. First, you use up and down keys to move on boot options, like that. Then using the enter key to open such type of screen. Then use down key for moving to legacy support which is disabled on your computer. Then such type of screen is open on your laptop where you use downward key to move to legacy support which is disabled on your computer. First, then you enter the keys, then you have to see their disable or enable options, then move using downward key and then press enter, or using backward key to press yes and enter. Then such type of screens open where and your legacy support enabled. Then you go back by pressing ESC key. After clicking ESC key, then you again come on with options and then you use further moving key to click exit. After reaching on exit, click the exit saving changes by pressing enter key. Here you see on screen yes option, then click the enter key. Don't touch the computer while during processing, and you see such type of screen on your laptop, and here you see a code operating system boot mode change and a code 4537 and plus enter key to complete the change. And first you click the numeric key and press this code 4537 plus enter.
Shutterstock Music.